My name is Marc Rees and I'm the artist responsible for this beautiful object behind me, which is called Blwydd Bassey, which is Bassey's cry. Well, I was approached by the Arts Council to create something, a kind of an artistic event to commemorate, to celebrate the Get Creative Weekend, which is an active weekend to get people to make and appreciate the arts. So I came up with this idea of recreating an iconic cultural figure of Shirley Bassey, but then combining that with an iconic historical figure of Boadicea, so two well-strong kind of female characters, and blending together. That hence, Shirley's got a kind of a spear, so it's like a call to arms, really, a call for people to come in and be creative and to really appreciate the arts, because it's difficult this current kind of climate, and we should really value and embrace and protect the arts, I think. I mean, I have to say it's fantastic seeing her gold, because she could only be gold. She sings, Goldfinger, which is probably the most famous Bond song, and one of her most kind of iconic songs. So I think it's really come to life now, and it's really adds real fluidity to it. I mean, and once the spear is gold as well, it will be more impactful. So I can't wait to see it in situ within Caernarfon Castle. I think it will be fantastic. So you've got the historic and the popular combined. So hopefully that will work really well as a kind of whole picture.